Our problem here is number 28 from practice test number 3. And the question is, find the limit of x approaches infinity of 3x over radical x squared plus 1. Now what we need to do here is create c over x to the r by dividing all terms by x to the r, which here are x to the r equals radical x squared, because that's from the denominator. Now the reason we have to create c over x to the r is because the only way we can find the limit as x approaches infinity is by c over x to the r, which equals 0. There's no other way to plug in infinity and actually be able to find the limit. So when I divide all the terms by x to the r, the limit as x approaches infinity is 3x over radical x squared all over radical x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared. Now when I actually take the limit, I have 3x over x all over radical 1 plus 0, because the c over x to the r equals 0 when I take the limit. Now I can cross out the x's here, which would equal 3 over radical 1, which is 3 over 1, which equals 3. Now because we're dealing with a squared x, our answer could possibly be plus or minus x. But we are only dealing with the positive x because our limit is going to positive infinity. Now if our limit was going to negative infinity, we would have to take the negative side of x, which would give us a different result. But because we are going to positive infinity, we are only dealing with the positive answer. So our answer of the limit as x approaches infinity of 3x over radical x squared plus 1 is 3.